In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to invite your friends in Terraria PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Inviting your friends to play in any world that you are hosting is extremely simple. You will be able to do this as long as you have them added on your PlayStation Network friends list. And the process is exactly the same for PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So like I said, you need to be hosting one of your worlds. So go ahead, choose a character, choose a world, and once you are inside, all that you have to do is open your inventory. You will be able to see a bunch of menus. However, if you press R1 while you are on your inventory, you will be able to highlight this little guide's head. This is actually the player list who is currently in this specific world. So press R1 when you open your inventory and you will be able to highlight and select the guide's head. Once you choose this, you will see the player list, and if you are alone hosting, you will only see your PlayStation Network tag, and of course, all of the other slots will be empty. Now, if you look at the bottom left, you will actually see the specific button that you have to press to invite your friends. By pressing L1, you will be able to open the invite menu, and now you can invite your friends over the PlayStation Network friends list. Like I said, all that you have to do is make sure that you have them added, and you will be able to choose them from your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 friends list. Choose them there, invite, they will get a notification that they can accept, and they will immediately join the world that you are hosting. Of course, if you exit this world, they will be kicked, so when you host again, you will just have to go over to your inventory, press R1, press L1 to open the menu, and invite them again. You can repeat this with as many friends as you want, and you will always be able to access the player inventory and the player list to invite them over on the invite menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to invite your friends in Terraria PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.